Founders in OnPASSIVE, we have been blessed with the gift of wealth. That wealth has been generated by OnPASSIVE, created by Mr. Mufareh. When we became founders in OnPASSIVE, our financial success became unavoidable. OnPASSIVE was built to take care of all its founders. Mr. Mufareh made that commitment to us founders, and now we are committed to helping those who need the help the most, the homeless, the hungry, the widows, the orphans, and many more who need help. Mr. Mufareh created OnPASSIVE with multiple state-of-the-art digital products, designed to make OnPASSIVE founders wealthy beyond their imaginations. But there is a platform that puts not one penny into the pockets of founders, and they are extremely excited about that platform. It is one that has touched the heart of Mr. Mufareh, who for many years has been a spirited giver to the poor. OJPASSIVE is the platform that was created to address the needs of humanity. OJPASSIVE is a crowdfunding platform that does not charge anyone who uses it. Every dollar that OJPASSIVE receives from the donors will be given to the poor people who need the money. Founders in OnPASSIVE will use OJPASSIVE to bless humanity. Founders will take care of their needs and not hoard the wealth that they have accumulated from OnPASSIVE. Founders and OJPASSIVE will form a perfect bond to help uplift humanity. Thank you, Mr. Mufareh, for blessing us founders and humanity with OJPASSIVE.